Have you ever had a battle with an E36 glove box? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to remove an E36 glove box the proper way. I'm going to show you the right screws to take out so you do not have to fight with it. Let's get into it. So guys, this is a how-to video on how to take out a glove box from an E36. It's a pretty tricky job because there's some hidden screws and some people end up like prying it from the sides and trying to pull the trim out without taking the proper screws out. So yeah, the other mistake that people make is that they go straight for the glove box and don't realize that this needs to come out first. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on how that's done. So the first thing you do is you take out these clips on either side. So you pop them out, make sure you don't lose them. So that those clips were right there and there. I'm just going to put them aside. What you do after that is you take out the 4 screws. So there's one right in this corner. I'll take that one out. Just undo it. Take that one out. I'm going to do that and then show you guys once it's done. So I've taken those 2 out, now the 2 at the bottom. Right, once all 4 screws are undone, you basically want to pull this forward, and it's a little bit tricky. Just give it a bit of a tug and it should hop forward. There you go. So that's the vents out. That's the first thing you need to take out. Right, now the next thing you got to do is you got to remove 2 Phillips screws from either side here. So I'm going to do that now. As you can see, the glove box itself is actually releasing slowly now. Just take these bits out. Oops, that fell out of the car. Went for a deep dive. Right, now apparently there is one 10mm bolt behind this light inside, but I'm just going to check if it's not there, because if this falls out, then yeah, it's already been taken out in the past, or it's just not there. So there you go. That's how you remove a glove box from an E36. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one for handy tips like this.